Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon ranch cheese fries. First, gather your ingredients: frozen French fries, shredded cheddar cheese, ranch dressing, and bacon. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook about 6 slices of bacon until it's nice and crispy, then crumble it into small pieces. This easy method will have you enjoying a delicious treat in no time. Next, spread your frozen French fries in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure they aren't overcrowded so they can get perfectly crispy. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are golden brown and have that satisfying crunch. This step is crucial for the best texture. Once your fries are hot and crispy, remove them from the oven. Generously sprinkle about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese over the top. Pop them back into the oven for just 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Then, drizzle with about 1/2 cup of your favorite ranch dressing and sprinkle on the crumbled bacon. And there you have it. Your amazing bacon ranch cheese fries are ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately while they're still warm and the cheese is gooey. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh chives. This easy method delivers a truly delicious and satisfying snack or side dish that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.